The One Step Further section contains more responses to the Ibunka survey. These will allow you to explore the topics more deeply. Key vocabulary is underlined within the responses and listed in the right margin. Make sure that you understand these expressions. If your teacher shares the password with you, you can access the translations with your smartphone using the QR code or with a computer through the website at www.ibunka.jp. Start by reading the description of the two cultural patterns at work. To make sure that you understand, you may want to go back and read the responses in the main part of the unit. Next, look for words, phrases, or sentences that relate to either of the cultural patterns described. Use fluorescent pens for this. If you don't have the same colors that are used in the descriptions and the example, that's okay. Just choose two different colors, or underline with regular pens in two different colors. If your teacher asks you to, you can then enter your answers in the corresponding online form.